Thank you, I will.
Buzz
I'll break
Lightyear.
it apart. Okay, now we can play Buzz Lightyear.
Spin right.
That's fantastic. Oh, he's doing it! Wow! Okay, now what should we do?
Make the alarm go off, Nathan. Scare me with the alarm. Oh, you got it. Ah!
You scared Mommy.
What'd you do that for? Oh, you turned off eye gaze, baby. Did you? Oh, no, you're good.
Well, it looks like you did.
No, you turned it off, sweetheart. You gotta turn it back on.
Turn it back on.
But you can't. No, you have to do it for him. I don't think he can because he can't select anything.
No.
There, he's good now.
There, it's good now. Let's go back. You want to close it? Good job. Very good job. Let's make him go. Will it work? Oh, 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 oh. Here he goes. He's moving forward. I can put him here for you. Here, wait. Maybe he'll move forward.
Buzz move left.
Okay, go Buzz. Ooh, he's going to do it. He's
Try it again.
me.
Try it again, Nathan.
Make him move, Nathan.
Buzz move left.
You got him. How'd you do that? Are you magic?
Fun at home. I want to watch TV.
No. You can't watch TV now.
Sorry, no.
So sorry. Let's play a game. You can play with Buzz.
Play by myself.
Okay, play by yourself.
Ball play.
What are we going to play by yourself?
Not that one.
The barn?
Car crash game.
Oh my gosh.
Nope, that's not it.
Play by myself.
Okay.
Hide and seek.
Oh, hide and seek?
I don't know. Concentration.
This is another game. You're just looking all over.
So
Hello.
now that you know.
Fun at home.
Oh, there's cooking. I see. This is different. We're learning this together.
Make pancakes.
There's
We need the
Dad.
microwave.
No, we're not cooking right now, baby. We can cook later. We can make
And of
pancakes.
course, a toaster. We need a microwave.
Where's the spoon? Do you know where the spoon is?
We need a cooking spoon.
That's right. Where's the bowl? Do you know where it is? Where's the bowl? It's
We
pink.
need a microwave.
Where's the pink bowl?
And of course, a toaster.
No.
Okay, let's
Play by
play.
myself.
How do you play with a fire truck? Do you know?
Dress the doll.
Oh, you
look
like
at the
this one. We did
doll.
this one
That's
yesterday.
So cute.
You gonna dress the doggy first?
Oh my gosh.
These are a little bit
This
smaller.
is adorable. Yeah, and that's smaller. How do we put a hat on her head? Can you put a hat on her? Good job.
Oh, good, Nathan. You got it. Yeah.
Somehow it didn't go. What do you have to do? Put
he-
it and then look?
No, you're done. Okay, another one?
Dress the doll.
Dress the doll.
You didn't mean to get that one, I see.
You want something else?
Fun at home. I want to watch TV.
You can't, Nathan, sorry.
No, we
Helium.
have, we have that disconnected.
No,
I think.
sorry, we turned it off for you. You did.
Phineas and Ferb.
No, you can't watch it. Sorry, Nathan.
What's your favorite show?
Oh, and can you turn the cable on?
Imagination Movers.
That is a good one. What if you wanted to watch Mickey Mouse?
No,
What would you
cable's
say?
not on.
Where's Mickey
Cable.
Mouse? Do you know?
Oh, I don't know.
Imagination Movers.
Where's Mickey Mouse?
Phineas and Ferb.
No.
don't
Where's
know where it
Mickey
is.
Mouse? You remember it? That's
Channel
Channel
Up.
Up.
You're trying to get it.
Okay. Boop. You're a good page flipper.
I want to tell you something. Family. This is my mommy.
What do you want to tell
Thematic units.
me? Oops.
First to school.
Remember,
get so
Nathan, we can't
excited.
do these just yet. I should probably hide those. Can you hide those, Rhonda?
Yep.
No, we can hide. I'm still filming, so we can hide them later.
Okay.
I want to tell you something. Family. This is my mommy.
That's Mommy.
Hi, baby. I'm right here. I'm watching you.
Where's Daddy?
This is my mommy. Her name
There's
is
Mommy.
Marcella.
Mm-hmm.
And where's Daddy? I know you're looking at him.
Thematic units.
No, we can't do those, remember? Not yet.
Let's
They're
go
not
back. I'll
ready.
hide it really fast for you, okay? Let's hide.